وده rosso, بس ده بutton ما برو.
بس
خلينا الشاطئ ينفع. ده الشاطئ ينفع. بس هم بكرة هذا ما هو.
بسيط.
ها؟
سيد
ده عشان نفهم كده ده. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Allah is the name. I began with the most marvelous, the most benevolent. I am criminologist Usama Khan Kakar, and today I will tell you about the relation between two main things in the society: crime and health. Health includes mental health, physical health, and public health. When a people is healthy, he does not commit crime. He work on daily wages, but he does not commit crime. If a person is a victim of mental health, he commit crime, although he has a lot of wealth, a lot of money, but he commit the crime. The depression, the trauma, the stress cause the crime in the society. I have seen many people which are the victims of depression, victims of anxiety, they commit crime. You can say many people commit suicide. This is all because of the depression, tension. So you should not be depression, you should not be tension. And for this purpose, I have brought a solution to combat the depression, to combat the anxiety, to combat the physical and mental sickness. I have brought the Balochistan Shilajit, which is very amazing and very beneficial nutrients. It contains of minerals. It is more and more beneficial than any natural thing in the society. It is an elite class edible. No, you can say weak and no cheap people buy the Shilajit. Shilajit is very elite class product. I have many friends of British and Americans, they eat Shilajit. There are many Arabs which eat Shilajit. But in Pakistan, people say it is just for testosterone level increasing. This is not good, my dear. Shilajit contains nutrients, and nutrients are very helpful for the body. Nutrients are not just for the testosterone level. This is not for the fertility. Nutrients are helpful for your bone health, for your blood circulation, for your circulatory system, for your respiratory system. Nutrients are very helpful. Shilajit contains folic acids, which is anti-aging. Shilajit is very helpful for our body. And the main thing I tell you that I have also brought the Samakakar athars, which contain chemicals. The athars basically contain chemicals. It's the Sunan Nabwi. And when good fragrances enter into your mind, it makes your mind happy. It is antidepressant. It is my personal experience. I have my personal experience since 5 years. It is very helpful for your mind. It makes you antidepressant. I always bring those things which are helpful for the society and helpful for the people and public health and for physical and mental health. And for this purpose, I have brought just two things: the Shilajit and the others. These are two beneficial for health. I can guarantee you, if you use the Shilajit and others, you will not commit crime. You will not bunk classes. You will not, you can say, commit any crime. You will be very fresh all the day. Many people see me, why Usama Khan Kakar, you are very fresh. You go here and there. You are not just sitting. You do a lot of things. You do foreign politics. You are you can say very energetic. I say I eat Shilajit. I use others. That's very good for health. So thanks a lot. Stay blessed and use these two things and be a good citizen of Pakistan. Thanks a lot. Stay blessed. Bas.